All right, class. How you doing today? So I'm here. You guys can hear me? Okay, good deal. Let me just fix this where I can see everybody. There we go. Just all right. Um, we're gonna go over the pages 2 through 44. Just a second here. There we go. We're just gonna let this be here. Okay, 2 through 44. Okay, 2 through 44, and we're going to be creating a document that's going to allow us to face to get this to go through and provide you guys an opportunity to see how that project is done. Um, so as we move on, I will be sharing my screen, and we're going to go over and make sure that we can go step by step. And then what I'll do is I'll upload this in Genzabar under Chef Notes recording, and you guys can do the page, do the assignment, and email it to me accordingly. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm going to share my screen. All right, so we're going to be looking at some objectives here. We're going to start by filing it or saving it as the name of the project. So if we go in here and we start looking for, we do create the file. So what they're saying is there's a lot of stuff prior to getting this all set up, but we're going to go into the way we want this done, and we're going to make sure that everybody can create the proper document. Okay, so you're going to want to do this. You're going to go to File, Save As. Okay, you're going to browse in your computer. More than likely, it's going to be in your jump drive, and we're going to call it. I'm going to put Michael underscore Corwett, and you do your own underscore 1A underscore chef underscore notes, and you're going to save it wherever you have it saved. Okay, so up here you're going to see, let's see if I can get this to move up. No, it won't let me. Okay. All right, so we're going to be looking at that, saved as that. You're going to go into the different, I'm not going to go into all the tabs at this point. So we're just going to start off by typing. Let's see, we're going to hit our format marks. Now these format marks do not, remember this, the format marks do not show up while you're printing. It might be a question on a midterm, might be a question on a quiz, so keep that in mind. Your formatting marks, this little P right here, allows you to guide where you put your information, and those are not a printable. They're hidden. They're only you see while you make your document. But when you print out this if you have to print this out, it would not show up. Okay, so we're going to type in Skyline don't mind my spelling. I'll try to correct it as we go around. Grill info. Okay, and again, I have sometimes grill, grill info. Okay. And then we're going to, let's see. I'm going to show you how to backspace. So you're going to backspace, take out the E. Okay. So it's going to end up, okay, then press, then after info, they want us to hit the space bar one time and type in chef. Okay. And then press the delete key, and they want us to delete 4 times the word info. So we're going to go here. Whoops, wrong one. Back up. Chef. Okay, so then we're going to go here, and we're going to back delete info, and we're going to type in notes. Okay, so you guys see what we did here? Okay, good deal. So now we're going to turn around and let's see. We're going to turn around and while holding down 3 times insertion point, the word grill. Okay, so we're going to put in the word, beginning of the word grill. We're going to type in Metro. Okay, and then press the space bar. We'll hit the space bar, and then we're going to type in exactly how it says. Let's see here, make sure we got everything right. After notes, we're going to type in, we're going to hit space bar. Hold on. Okay, so after that, back up. One more. Right here. Okay, so we're enter chef. Okay, so then we're going to type in executive chef, E. The way it is, so you show you how you see your spell check is working. Okay, then comma. Let's see if your spell check's working. Oops, wrong comma. Right there, comma, and you see that your spell check is working. You correct it, and then you put in after the comma, Madison Dunham. Okay, so it would autocorrect, delete the word in U, so we're good. Okay, with your mouse, point slightly to the M in Madison, let's see, M in Madison. Okay. So we're gonna click that, Madison, 3 times. It'll get you all 3, all that. Okay, hold on. Let me get that period out of there. All right. You hold down the entire, come on. You're gonna go to Madison Dunham. Oops, messed up. Madison Dunham. There we go. You have your little box display up here comes up. Your mini toolbar. Okay, so then you have your mini toolbar. Everything looks right like we have on figure 110. All right, and then we're gonna take, with the text selected, we're gonna change it to Sarah Jackson. And so what I did is I showed you different ways of correcting stuff, making it a lot easier to work with. Okay. Then we're good there. We're going to go to our proofing. No proofing errors down here. And it looks like everything looks good. Okay. Okay. Let's look at the proofing. Spelling, grammar check is good. Okay. So after that, we're gonna do editor plane. Okay, so we fixed executive. Okay. Okay, so let's make an error in this real quick. I'll show you how that works. Okay, here's the editor plane. As you can see, they have different, excuse me, different ways of spelling this. So we're going to click on that, change, and then everything is okay. Okay. So once that closes, everything's okay. We're good to go. So then on the design tab, okay, we're going to go to page background group, which is here, right here. And we're going to go page color. At the bottom of the menu, notice that the fill command's followed by ellipsis. So we'll go here. Okay. And ellipsis is a set of 3 dots indicating incompleteness. And the ellipsis following command name indicates the dialog box will display when you click the command. So that's where we're at. Click the fill display fill effects. Okay. So right here. Okay, we're there. And then we're going to go into the gradient tab. Okay, so we got the gradient tab. And we're going to fill one color. So we'll click on one color. Okay, where it fades into the other. Under colors, one color. Okay, then on the dialog box displays related one color option. Right? Okay, and then make choice of 2 or more options. So click the one color arrow. All right. And in the 8th column, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Point to the second color. 1, 2. And the screen tip, if there is one, we'll name the color. So we'll click on that. Okay, and then notice that the color, notice fill color, color one box, darker, lighter, black. Okay, dark or light. Click the light arrow as many times as necessary. You can make it as light as you want till the scroll box is all the way. So there it is. All right. And then under shading styles, which is here, click the from corner. Okay. And under variants, excuse me, under variants, click the upper right variant. And then compare it to your screen on figure 1.14. Okay, once it looks like that, you click OK. And there's your how we color our document. All right, so now point to S and skyline with your cursor. Okay, so we have that. We're going to take the whole thing, double click on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, come on. 1, 2, 3. There you go. All right. And so we're going to make sure that all of this is actually highlighted. So we're going to go here and make sure that you hold your control button. Make sure all that's in there. Okay. Okay, so now once you get in there, once you have that all good to go, you're going to go into your styles. Let's see, where are we at here? Let me move this down over here so I can see. Okay. Okay, in the mini toolbar, so once we get all this done, in the mini toolbar, we're going to go to styles, and we're going to go to title. So we're going to look for title. Title. Okay. And looks good. Looks good. Everything looks right. Okay. And then in style, we'll click title, gallery office. Okay, click it. On the ribbon of the home tab, go back to the home. We're going to go to paragraph group. Paragraph group. And we're going to center this. There you go. So it's all nice and centered. Okay, so then we're going to go with the 2 paragraphs selected in the home tab. We're going to go to the font group, which is here. We're going to go to text effects and topology. So we're going to look for text effects and topology, excuse me. And we're going to click on the gallery. Okay. In the gallery, we're going to go in the second row, 1, 2, and we're going to click on the first effect. Okay. Click anywhere to deselect to cancel. Okay. And because this might affect the difficult reach, the upper left corner, go to your, so once you highlight this, we're going to go and do the undo button. Let's see, where is it undo? Undo. We're going to look for undo. Well, let's make sure we have this all right here first. Okay, text effect, 1 second. All right, so we'll go back up here on top. We're going to hit the undo button. Okay. And then with all the text still selected, go to text effect. All right, again, in the first row, click the 5th effect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Click anywhere to deselect. As you progress in study Microsoft, you practice using many dialog boxes, commands, and apply interesting effects such as this, your Word documents, Word, Excel worksheets, Access database objects, and PowerPoint slides. So once you have that, I would go ahead and save. Hit the save button so you don't lose what you just did. Excuse me. So it looks just like that. Now, we're going to perform commands customizing quick access toolbar. So at the end of the quick access toolbar, which is right here, you're going to want to make sure that you customize. It shows a list of common Office user commonly added quick access toolbar displays, open to mail, quick print, print view, all those are there. On the list, click print preview and print. So we're going to click on that, and that will add the icon to your quick access toolbar up here. Okay. Performing commands from the ribbon. So in the second line of text, so when we go here and we click enter, let's see how many times I want us to click enter. In the second line of text, right to the end, so I want us to do here, they want us to press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, once we're there, we're going to word creates 3 blank paragraphs, no text effect is applied. You see that? Click on the position insertion on the third, okay. Second blank paragraph, just insert the ribbon, click insert tab. So I'll go insert tab, okay. And then we're going to go to illustration group right here, and we're going to point to pictures. So go pictures, okay. So we're going to click on that, and we have to look for our Office picture that we downloaded, which I didn't. So give me a second here. I got to go get it. So I'm going to go into my Genzabar, log in, go to my course, go to my resources. Okay, I'm going to open up my chef notes. There's my picture. I'm going to save image as. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in my pictures, save. That's how you do that. Then you close that out, go back into your document. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna go to illustrations, pictures, and we're gonna look for our one that we just downloaded, which would be right there, chefs. And we're going to click over one. We're going to insert there. So there it is. Okay. So now you're going to come up with layout options. Here's your layout options right here. And we're going to, with the layout option selected, we're going to click it open. Okay. And with text wrapping in the second row, top, bottom, right there. We're going to click on that. Okay. And we're going to close it. Okay. So now on the ribbon with the picture tool format open, you can see here, you go to size group. Okay. So we'll go to size group right here. And the shape height will be 0.029. So we're going to take this down to 0.29, excuse me. Take this down to 0.29. Oh, more than that. Oh, too small, too small. Oh, I see what we're doing. We're going to type in 2. Okay. And hit enter. Okay. And then we're going to go on the pictures format tab, arrange group right here. We're going to click align. Okay. And then we're going to use the alignment guides. We're going to use the alignment guides. And if you don't see a check mark on it, make sure you put a check mark on that. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the image. and you're going to drag it to where you get your green line. Once you have your green line, you click it and you're done. Okay, you're lined up. All right, so moving forward on the ribbon of Pictures Tools format, we're going to go to our Pictures Style group. Okay, and we're going to go to the first style displayed on the screen tip, which is Simple Frame White. Notice that the image changes as you drag along. So we're going to go to the fourth style. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. On the fourth style, drop shadow rectangle. We're going to click on it. Reposition. Make sure you're green. Okay, you're good. You're going to quick access toolbar and you're going to save. Everybody good? All right, good deal. Now, it says minimizing the ribbon. Point to any tab of the ribbon, right click, shortcut display. So anywhere we got on the ribbon, we'll get a shortcut display. Okay, click and collapse ribbon. You can go here. You can auto hide your ribbon. You can go here and show all your tabs and commands. Okay. All right, so now on the ribbon, click the layout tab. Page setup right here. We're going to go to orientation and we're going to display portrait and landscape. So make sure we have landscape. Okay. In portrait, paper is taller and wider landscape. Okay, now the lower right hand corner, we have the zoom slider, which is down here. Okay. And we're going to go approximately 60%. So we're going to take this down to 60%, 70, 62, 55, 68, 60%. Okay. This is the technique we practice. Change orientation back to portrait. We're back to portrait. Okay. In the lower right-hand corner, we're going to zoom in. So we're going to go back to 100. There you go. And on our quick toolbar, we're going to save. Everybody good there? All right. Now we're going to format text by using font alignments, font colors, and font styles. In the home group, we're going to go to the font group, okay? And we're going to clear all formatting, all right? So let's make sure we got this right. So Executive Chef, we're going to highlight that, okay? We're going to go to the home group and we're going to clear all formatting. So when we do that, it brings it back to that, okay? This command removes all formatting from the section, leaving only the normal unformatted text. With the text still selected, go to the home group, okay? The paragraph group, and we're going to center that. So we're going to take that and center that. With the text still selected in the font group, font button, arrow, we're going to go here. Okay, we're going to look for Cambria. Okay, so look for Cambria. Cambria. There it is, Cambria. Then we're going to go back over here and read some more stuff. Okay. And what they say? Now, point several fonts or verbs, roll back. Under fonts themes. Okay. Run over font themes. Okay. We're going to click on Cambria Light. So we'll go back to Cambria Light. Paragraphs, Executive Chef, Sarah Jack Still. Go to Home tab, go to Font Group, go to Font Size button arrow. Okay, where it's 11, we're going to go to 20. Okay. So basically it looks like that. Now, font measure points, okay, with executive chef still selected, go to font group, go to font color, which is here, and highlight that. Under theme colors, we'll go to the sixth column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll click on the fifth to the last color. So, well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then last blank paragraph, deselect text. Okay, so with your insertion point, blank paragraph, picture type, type rehearsal dinner. Okay, so the insertion point where? Below the picture. Okay, so picture below the picture, rehearsal type, REHEARSAL, dinner, menu, ideas. Menu, not menu. English. Okay. And then press enter 2 times. 1, 2. Whoops, back up. After the ideas, then enter 2 times. 1, 2. Then type in appetizer. Appetizers. Then 2 times. Oh, let's see if we got it right. APPEITEZTT. 1 T. Whoops. 1 T, guys. And 2 times. And then we're going to type salad. And then we're going to type, press 2 times. We're going to type main. Dishes. And then we're going to hit 2 times. And then we're going to type in desserts. And it should look, and then they want us to tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it looks like this when you get done with it. Everybody there? Okay, so now click anywhere word dinner. So we're going to look for dinner. Where did we put dinner at? Click anywhere in the word dinner and triple click it. Did I miss a dinner somewhere? Oh, dinner. Okay. And triple click. So rehearsal is completely okay. So with the paragraph selected, mini toolbar should pop up. It sure did. On the font color, notice that text color selected changes paragraph. Sure did. Okay. With the paragraph rehearsal dinner menu item still selected on the mini toolbar, we're going to go ahead and bold it. And we're going to italicize it. All right. Next page. So it looks like that when you're done. All right. Now what we got going on here? So now we're going to format painter. We're going to learn format painter. So we're going to select this. Okay. And we're going to format paint it. So we're going to take this, we're going to take that, we're going to click on that. We're going to put it here and we're going to click on it. Didn't work. Try again. We're going to format paint. Touch the item. Come on. It's supposed to work, guys. Give me a second. Format paint. There we go. And then we keep going down. We're going to format paint this one. And click on that. We're going to format paint this one. That. Oops. Main. Excuse me a second. Format paint. Dishes. And we're going to do the last one. Format paint. And desserts. Okay. So once we have everybody all formatted and painted, we're going to go to our quick toolbar and save. All right. So now we're looking at we're going to go back to up to Skyline Metro. Double click on that. We're going to go to our home tab and copy. And we're going to go down to our, after our, let's see, when do they want us to put this? They want us to control end. So we're going to go control end. Oops, back up one. We're going to go here. We're going to hit copy. We'll go to the bottom here. And we're going to point to paste. We're going to keep source. And we're going to paste the text there. Okay. On your control home button, takes us back to that. So we're going to go here, we're going to right click, we're going to click cut. And we're going to, right under Skyline, under here. Hold on a second. Okay, we'll do that. And we're going to put, we're going to hit paste. I'm going to line this back up. Come on now, where'd it go? There we go. Now in the Skyline Grill Metro, instead of notes, we're going to type in festive salad. Okay. Okay, everything looks right. Everything looks right. Okay. What's it trying to do here? Click on the chef's picture. On the shortcut menu, edit alternate text. So we're looking for edit alternate text. Shortcut menu. My bad. Yeah. Where does it say that? Oh, it says edit picture, change picture. Okay. Why doesn't it let me do that? All right, hold on. 1 second. Point to the shifts picture, right click. Click edit, which it won't let us for some reason. I don't know why. That's weird. All right, hold on here. Let me see what's going on. What if that's it? Let's try that. No, it's not it. Well, we'll skip that part for now, guys. We may have a software version. Okay, so now, once we have this in place, make sure you save it. And then what we want to do is go to the Insert tab, which is on there right now. We're going to Header Footer Group. Okay, we're going to edit the footer. So we're going to go here, and we're going to edit the footer. Okay. In the Design Tools tab, we're going to go to the Insert group, and we're going to go Document Info, and we'll go to File Name. Okay. Then close your footer. In your Quick X toolbar, okay, we're going to Print Preview, so we'll look at that. All right. Okay, on the File tab, which is your Backstage, you can go to Info tab. Oh, where's your Info tab at? Your Info tab, okay. And we're going to show all properties. All right, in Subject, look for the one that says Subject. We're going to put in our class, MIS 113. Everybody see that? And then related people, don't worry about that. In the tags, so go to tags, we're going to type in rehearsal, dinners, comma, menus. Okay. And then once we do that, we check for issues. So we go back to info. All right, move that over. We're going to check for we're going to check for issues. So we're going to inspect the document. Okay, make sure you save your changes. We did. So then we're going to click on that. It's going to tell us that we have no, we're going to inspect all this. We're going to click on it. We got 10 of them. Okay, so in here, it says that check accessibility. It does all that. Okay, so then we got check issues, check compatibility. We're good. Okay, so some of the stuff that we may have in here is our personal information and our headers and footers. Okay, that you don't have to remove. Everything looks good. Close. All right. Click on save. All right. Insert. We're going to try to insert a bookmark and 3D model. A bookmark defines a word section in your documents to find it quickly without scrolling. A 3D model is a kind of shape. So in the paragraph, rehearsal menu items. We're gonna highlight menu. Okay. We're gonna insert tab. Okay. In our links group, we're going to click bookmark. And in our bookmark, we're going to type menu. And then we're going to add it. Okay. Then we're control home button. Okay. And then we're going to hold tab, right under the ribbon, go to editing group. Where's our editing group? Editing group. We're going to find button arrow. And we're going to go. Once that opens up, go to what? Okay. We're going to go to what? Find and replace. Go to what? Find and replace is selected for you. Click the bookmark. And go to close. There it went. Okay. And then close. So that's where that is. Click your insertion point or desserts. Where desserts is at the end of desserts. On the insert tab. Go in the illustration group. We're going to click 3D models. Okay. I don't have that. Then we're going to search cupcake. So we're going to go up here to online pictures. We're going to look for cupcake. All right, we're going to search, enter. We'll look for some cupcakes. Click it, images with cupcake of pink and white stripe. Oh, let's see, we got a pink and white stripe cupcake. Let's look for pink and white stripe cupcake. I'm probably going to find it here. Be imaginative. Let's see, we'll go. Just want to do a single one. Just keep looking for a pink and white one. Yeah, that'll work right there. Okay, we're going to do that. We're going to insert it. Oh, that's big. All right, point the 3D controller. We're going to go to size group. Size and position. Okay, we're going to type 0.75. And hit enter. Okay. Arrange the group text. Arrange the group, click on wrap text. In front of text. I'm gonna look for it. In line with text. Okay. Arrange group. Where's our arrange group? The arrange group, here it is. I'm gonna click align. And we're gonna align right. Hold on. Let me get it out of here. Okay, arrange group. We're going to align. Come on. supposed to align right. So it should be about right. One second here. Okay, in the arrange group. Line with text in front of text. Okay. And then align right. There we go. All right. Close it out. Save it. Then you go File, Backstage. We're going to show if we're going to print it. Looks good, looks good, looks good. So it looks like it's going to go. All right, so back over this way. There's your document, people. Any questions? Give me a call. I will put this on Jenzabar in resources. And you guys have a great day. I will see you guys on Thursday. Have a good one. I'm going to stop sharing and stop recording. Again, have a great day.